Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError, unsupported operand types for plus, int and NoneType. This error occurs when you try to add an integer to a none value in Python. None is a special keyword in Python that represents the absence of a value. It is often used to indicate that a variable has not been assigned a value. To fix this error, you need to make sure that the variable you are trying to add to is not none. You can do this by checking if the variable has a value before performing the addition operation. Here's an example of how to fix this error. When you use this code, you will get this kind of error. In this example, the if statement checks if b is not none. If b has a value, then c is assigned the result of adding a and b. If b is none, then an error message is printed. Alternatively, you can assign a default value to b when you initialize it. Let's run this code. Here is the results. In this example, b is initialized with a default value of 0. This ensures that b is never none, and the addition operation can be performed without any errors.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.